All right, well, welcome everybody. Happy Friday. And, you know, I'm here to give you some instructions about how today's class is going to be structured. Let's get right to it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, right, when you get done watching this video, is you're going to have a slide, and I'm going to walk you through that slide. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your Google Classroom, go to your math, and find your current math grade and write it there. All right, second thing. I want you to go and count up the total number of missing assignments. Count the zeros. But remember, don't include Alex. Right? Everything that you got a zero on, but don't include Alex. Those zeros, we're not talking about those there because those you can't make those up. Right? You can't make up Alex. All you could do is get extra credit on other Alex assignments to get those points back. All right. So let's continue. All right. Now, the most recent assignments, I want you to take a look back at your most recent. And I want to ask you, have you finished Thursday's homework? That's yesterday's homework. Have you finished that yet? Yes or no? Circle that. Okay? Because if you haven't, that'll be one of the things you're going to do today. It's one of the things you can put on your list. All right? Number 2, what's your grade on last Friday's assessment check? Right? Go back and look at last Friday's. Write that grade right there. Again, I already know this. I want to make sure you know what it is. Right? And the third one is, how many topics did you learn on Alex last week? Right now, you all just got out of homeroom. You all saw the video and everything, right? So we just ended Alex, and the new one opened today. So what did you get? How many topics did you learn last week? If you're not sure of that question, ask Mr. Kimbelik. I'll let you know. All right. Let's continue. Let's talk about what you're doing for today. Let's talk about your plan for today. All right. So the first thing I want you to do today, everybody, is I want you to go right now and complete today's assessment check. You get one every Friday. We're going to use this class to complete it. So go complete it right after this slideshow, and you're going to complete it right after we're done with this. Right? So the first thing you're going to do after this is done is you're going to complete today's assessment check. Second task is do at least one topic in Alex today. Right? Now you obviously know more gets you more points, better grades, etc. But I don't want anybody to get zero, so do at least one topic in Alex. So the first thing, today's assessment check. Second thing, at least one topic in Alex. Okay? Now the third task, that's up to you. Okay? That's going to be dependent on what you have to do based on your own situation. All right, so for example, one of those tasks could be Thursday's homework. Another one could be any other missing assignment, like that total number you got in the first thing on the left there. Do any other missing homework. Or get extra help on anything that you are struggling with, not sure of, have a question on, still a little confused on, anything like that. That's what this today is for, right? So complete what's on the left. As soon as that's done, you can start. Right? Complete the assessment check, then do one topic in Alex. After that, I want you to do one more thing. It's up to you. You can either continue doing Alex, right? That could be a third task. I didn't write it down. You can continue to do Alex if you have no work to make up. Otherwise, Thursday homeworks, any other missing homework, get extra help. That's what we're doing. So first two, I want you to get those done and then work on that third task. The third task is going to be up to you, depending on what you need to work on to improve your grade. All right, so let's have a good Friday. Let's make sure we get a lot of work done, finish strong for the week. All right, so we can make sure that we have a good grade going forward.